Okay, so let me just quickly use this part. Let me see if I can get to high resolution VNC. Okay. So Shashank, you can also see, right? So in one of the new tabs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add the product structure viewer. Okay. There are multiple ways. I will show you all the ways to open a part in CATIA. Okay, I'm putting a product explorer in one of my new tabs. And I take my engineering data, drag it there. Drop it here. So in my product structure, I can see a BOM view. Okay. Now from here, I can directly right click and say open with TRV file. This is structure. So it will open this part. So till the time CATIA is opening, let me just show you some of other features what you have for this app. Okay, this app gives us a direct visualization of the 3D in my browser. Okay, I don't need CATIA to open my CAD. I can always have a live view of what is being developed. Okay, so Shashank, I will, since you are also connected to, I think there is issue in your settings. Let's look at the options because these settings should be done properly. Experience is current. Okay, this is proper. This should be activated in 25. We are not using it. Let me open the part again. I can open a child part or I can open a whole assembly, whole group at whatever level I want to go and open. But it always remember that more data we open, more time it will take. And the way you are doing few things in context in past is no more required because whole CAD can remain in context, whole vehicle can remain in context. Your document location settings are not appropriate. So the folder of pointing document is active. Text precedence or folder of the link. So there is another way also. So if I once I log in, I can always do a search directly, and from search also I can open something directly into CATIA, or I can open CATIA, and so now I have got my parts. Uh, mm, Can you type in your user ID password, Shashank, please? You can also see them, right? I don't recollect the password, so can you please type in, Shashank? If you are able to also see this VNC, okay. Pradeep, what is the password? Default password? Huh?
I have the password. I'm putting it.
PLMD123. PLMD capital. PLMD capital.
Okay. PLM Dev 123.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So your CATIA was not configured. Now it is configured. So if it comes back from non-responding. Response. Right, so opening up the parts. So it opened the whole CATIA assembly here. So if we go and draw something may not be relevant, you can afterwards modify the design for these parts. hold on, I think. Finally, pick something. Some box. Now, this is some design activity which you do, right? Then I can go to 3D experience. So instead of just save, I use this save. Okay. So you don't use the start save, you use the 3D experience save. Okay. So it saved the object successfully. So I can go back and open again this, but I can see that in a few minutes I should be able to see here my data getting refreshed. If I want to go back and open this part, I'll show you how what are the other means of opening my same CAD. So I launch my CATIA, and if you want, you can always create a shortcut from here. If you click here, it will give you option to create a shortcut for the connector, CATIA connector. So CATIA opens in 3D experience always. So I can just create a desktop shortcut. I will have a separate desktop shortcut, CATIA V5 3D experience. I can launch from there directly. So now I want to open those parts again. Just a minute, launch. I can always click on open, and I know my assembly was CC something. And you can always go and change the mode to multiple part thumbnail view. And this was the assembly I wanted to. So see, whatever you have saved is there in PLM, available there in PLM. So somebody else also opens now this part in their CATIA. They should be able to see the same part available immediately. Okay. Now, one more thing. What we can do is I can close this. So if I want to add another part from 3D experience, I can always insert a part, existing part. Okay. Um, you can basically update the revisions and item numbers. If I want to, I said I want to like existing part. So I had created some SD other part. Let me just search. There are different SD parts, so let me just add this. And okay, so and I can go I just go and save this assembly. Okay. And go back to my 3D experience. I'll just refresh this. And close it. Okay. You can see my, I should see my third part distribution. For some reason, it's not refreshing. Expand all. It's taking from me. Let's just look at this part in here and try and refresh. The third part added or not? Let me see. 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 Simply see. Yeah, so the component, at least the 3D, whatever 3D we had created for this part is visible here. Okay, we created for one part, it is visible. I can do a lot of other activities with this. I'll check why the third part did not appear here. Okay. And we can easily work on this, rotate this. Somebody need not have CATIA to look at a part's definition. We can do the measurements and all activities what you can do in the CATIA review here. Okay, so we can do part by part. You can see what are the different values. If I look at the tools, I can see I can measure and everything I can do. Okay, if I want a section, I can take section. Okay, so all those things are possible here itself. You can mark up this and send the markup along with review. So this is what I can achieve without CATIA as well. Okay, so these are the steps. So maybe if you want, you can repeat those at your end and try it out. Let's see if you can do these things. And I'll right now pause my recording